How to reset GoFundMe account password. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover your password of GoFundMe account. If you have previously forgotten your password and couldn't access the account, here's how you can reset it. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type gofundme.com. Now press enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of GoFundMe. Here in this page, you need to look for sign in option. You can find this option at the top right next to about. Once you find it, click on it, and now you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will be presented with a sign in interface. In this login page, you will see forgot your password link. Click on this forgot your password link, and then you will be prompted to enter your email address. Enter your email address in this box, and then at the bottom right, you will find request password reset button. Click on this button. After doing it, you will get an email with the password reset instructions. Go and check your email to find it. It also says you to check your spam folder. Wait for a while until you get this email, and once you get it, open it, and there you will find reset password button. Click on this button here, and now you will be redirected to new page. Now you can create a new password for your GoFundMe account. Go ahead and tap on this first box and start entering your password. Make sure your password meets all the criteria presented at the bottom. After entering your password in the first box, you need to re-enter your password in the second box. And after you have entered the same password in this both box, now click on the set password at the right bottom below and wait for a while. After that, you will see your password has been successfully changed. Now you will be automatically come back to this login interface. Now here you can enter the new password and log into your account. After entering your new password in this box, click on that sign in button at the right bottom below. And once doing that, you will be presented with this interface where you will need to enter your phone number. And also choose the way you would like to receive the verification code at the bottom. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on this send code button, and it will send a verification code to your mobile number. You will be prompted to enter that code in the expected field for the confirmation. And after that, you will be able to sign into your GoFundMe account with your new password. So by following these steps, you should be able to reset your password on your GoFundMe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.